I say I go yesterday. Is that wrong?
Yes, small mistake, but very important.
But why? It sounds okay to me.
Because you are mixing time. Go is present, yesterday is past.
Oh, so they don't match.
Hey guys, welcome to Speaker of English.
Where we learn English in a simple way.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Mia. So, what mistake did I make?
Today, we fix one very common mistake, present versus past.
Oh, like go and went?
Exactly. And by the end, you will never make this mistake again. Let's fix it with practice. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Now, past. I ate breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
Say this. I go to the office every day.
I go to the office every day.
Now, change time. Yesterday. I went to the office.
I went to the office.
Good. Now it sounds natural.
I goed to the market.
Almost, but no.
Wait, what? It sounds right.
I know. It feels right, but English is tricky sometimes.
So why is goad wrong?
Because some verbs don't follow rules. They change completely.
Oh, like surprise words.
Exactly. Say this. I went to the market.
I went to the market.
Good. Again.
I went to the market.
Now, listen. Common mistakes people make. I eated dinner.
That sounds funny.
Say it right.
I ate dinner.
I seed a movie.
Wait, that sounds wrong.
Yes. Fix it.
I saw a movie.
I taked a photo.
I took a photo.
Nice. I say wrong, you fix it. I goed home.
I went home.
She eated food.
She ate food.
They buyed clothes.
They bought clothes.
Perfect.
I think I say these mistakes a lot.
That's okay. Everyone does. But now you know how to fix them. Remember one thing. Don't add ed to every verb. Some verbs change completely.
So I need to remember them.
Yes. And with practice, it becomes easy.
Okay, I feel more confident now.
Good. Now you sound natural. Quick answers. Don't think too much. Today, I eat. Yesterday,
I ate.
today, I go. Yesterday,
I went.
today, I see. Yesterday,
I saw?
perfect. Now, speak. What do you do every morning?
I wake up, I drink coffee, I check my phone.
Good. Now, yesterday.
Yesterday, I woke up late, I drank coffee, I checked my phone.
Excellent. Now you are thinking in English. Okay, now it gets fun. I say present, you say past. Fast challenge.
Oh no. Okay, I'm ready.
Round 1. Easy. I play football.
I played football.
She eats an apple.
She ate an apple.
We watch a movie.
We watched a movie.
Good start. Round 2. Faster. I open the door.
I opened the door.
He calls his friend.
He called his friend.
They clean the room.
They cleaned the room. Okay, this is getting fast.
Round 3. Irregular verbs. Now, tricky ones.
Uh-oh.
I go to school.
I went to school.
I eat dinner.
I ate dinner.
I see a dog.
I saw a dog?
Yes, perfect. Round 4. Super fast. I take a photo.
I took a photo.
I make coffee.
I made coffee.
I come home.
I came home.
I buy food.
I bought food. Hey, I'm getting good.
Last round. Don't miss.
Okay, let's go.
I run in the park.
I ran in the park.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I write a message.
I wrote a message.
I drive a car.
I drove a car.
Perfect.
Wow, this is actually easy.
Yes, just match the time.
Present for now, past for finished.
Exactly.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Now you sound natural.
If this episode helped you, hit that like button and share it with a friend who's learning English.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first?
We'll see you next time. Keep speaking, keep growing.
Bye!
Bye!